Okay, so I'm on the artifactuprising.com website. I'm gonna go to photo books, baby board book. We're gonna pick 30 page count, and then let's do people theme, and then make your book. Click sign in. So have an account, or you can create an account. Okay, so it's gonna go through a tour if you want. I'm just gonna exit that. So down here, you can click expand. It'll make it kind of easier. I already have some galleries, some like folders with photos, but we're gonna start new. So we'll click add photos. And then we're gonna click upload since you're using the computer that it's on. And you might not have them in your photo library, but I think you do because you favorite them. So we're gonna go photo library, and then you're gonna click albums. So we're gonna use this albums, and then you said you favorited them, so we're gonna go to favorites, and then you should be able, yeah, you can click multiple ones. So we'll say these 7 and click add. And then I'm gonna create new gallery. I'm gonna make a title, so we'll say photo book 1. And then get started. It's going to upload the images onto their website, into their cloud system. Okay, so then we're going to do collapse view. I'm going to click here, I'm going to do the title, so we'll say daughter book. You can change the color. The thing about this website is you're going to have to, if you want to change the colors, you have to put in these hex codes, which are like the actual computer number that they need. But so you're gonna click add. So this is the very back, like this is the very front over here. So on the back, I didn't put anything. I just left it blank. So this looked like this the whole time until I was done. So then we're gonna click and drag. Click and drag. Okay. So we'll say daughter book. You can change the title here too. So we'll say daughter book. Save text. You can click this, changes the colors right here, and you see how these are hex codes for these colors, so you can like copy if you want to like use it on another page too. So then you're going to go to the next page. This is already a layout that they had put in here for you, but if you don't want to do that, you can do these layouts. So you put like this book belongs to, I'll change the name, Brittany. Size, you can change the size. I kind of, I'll say 36. So see 36 is kind of small on this. Just double click on it, say 80. Cool. We can change the color here. And then we're going to go back here to images and we'll add this. Cool. Then this page is done. Then we're going to go to our next page. And you can expand this if you need to like look at all the other photos. And then if you want to add more photos, like you changed your mind, you can click add photos, upload, photo library, albums, favorites. Instead of favorites, I'll just go to like my recent. And then add to existing gallery, and we did photo book 1. And then click get started, it'll upload it. and then it's right there in that gallery. So then we'll collapse the view and we'll add this photo. And so this says it's a low resolution. If you had like saved them from Facebook, then they'll say low resolution. I usually try to get them like directly off iPhones, but you kind of said that you have all those photos, so it just works better if you have like, if you didn't save them from a website, if that makes sense. And so then these are all the different pages over here. You need to like reorganize them. These ones are like different layouts. So you can again click layout here. This one would just be like a giant photo on both pages. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that was a thing. You can click these arrows, go through them. So then we'll go layout. And then sometimes they'll put like borders around them, and they put check marks if you've already used the photo, so that's pretty cool too. So let's like add, put Skylar. Oh, save. There we go. And then let me see if there's a way to change the background. Not seeing it for this one, but so I guess these color things down here would change the background colors. And then if you want to like find colors, which is kind of a little bit more intricate, you can type in hex color codes into Google. And click like one of these websites, and then if you find one of these colors you like, you just copy the code, or you can like write it down. Yeah, you probably have to write it down on that one. Yeah, these are the codes. Sometimes I like put them in themes and stuff. I do have a really good website I can try and find if you wanted to do that. So yeah, this is how you do it. And then once you're all done, I did a email PDF proof, and so it'll email it to you. I think it took me like an hour to get it though. That way you can like look through it that way, just to make sure it's how you want it, and then add to cart. And then this says like you have stuff that's not completely filled in, but that's okay. Then we'll go to the cart. And then I think processing time is 5 days, might be 10 days. And then shipping usually takes a few days. So then this is your book. And then yeah, and I'll try and find you a promo code. If you just let me know whenever you're done. And then if you want to edit it, even after it's in your cart, you just click edit. And then update your project, I guess, when you're done, so it saves it. Yeah, so that's kind of my walkthrough. Let me know if you have any other questions I can help you with. Well, this is how you save your project. You can name it daughter book edit, and then update project. This says that there's unedited stuff. It's fine. Yeah, so I'll stop this video and then I'll make another video that shows my other projects I did.